Alright, so we're going to replace these 6x9s in the back of the Freightliner. You got to take out 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. They all star bits. Then you get back there to your speaker. You got to get a different star bit because it's a different size. And then you take out 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That's it. Alright, got the speaker out. Now you just unclip that clip right there. Alright, got the speaker out, got it unclipped. I'm going to cut this wire right here and splice the new speaker wire into it like that. And then I'm going to plug this into the new speaker. And I'm going to plug this right back in. Plug this right here back in up here. Just easier to install.